Hi guys! So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial today on how to do your When You Grow Up craft. So you picked out your hair. If you didn't get a chance to pick out your hair, I tried to pick out the hair that I thought you would like best. So this is in your big brown envelope. So if you haven't gotten yours in the mail yet, just keep waiting and come back to this video when you get it in the mail. When you get it, open it up and you're going to pull out this bag. It's got the hair in it. It'll be your hair color. It's got the face and it's got a pair of scissors and glue in it. It says When I Grow Up Craft, and it will have your name on it. It's in this blue color, and it will also have a number 1 over here. So it's blue, it's got the number 1. It should also be pretty easy to find. It's got your face in it. So open it up. I'm just doing the craft today. So just like Miss Hamplin, you're only pulling out the craft. Leave the writing papers in there. We will get to that later. Okay, so to make the craft, you have the face. And your face, you're going to need to cut out. Let me show you an example of what yours looks like. I'm going to show you my friend's name here. But I'm going to show you her bag. So her face has not quite been cut out yet. So you would take the scissors that came in your bag. Now please remember scissor safety. We sit on our bottoms when we use scissors. We put our 4 fingers in the big side. Flip our hand over. Put your thumb in the little side. You leave your hand down flat like this. And all you do is lift your thumb up, down, up, down. You're not going to move this scissor hand. You're going to move the paper. Remember? Open, close, open, close. Please go get mommy or daddy before you use these scissors. We do not use scissors without a grown-up in the room. Okay? So the hair, you're going to have to do the same thing. Some of them are really hard to cut out, so I went ahead and helped you and cut yours out. But most of them, I know you guys are big kids, and they're pretty easy to cut out. So I left them in a paper. So cut along the lines. And when you're done, your hair should look like this. Or whatever you picked out, but cut all the extra off. The same thing for your hands. Your hands look like this. 2 ovals. Scissors just like I showed you. Cut them out. And eyeballs, the same thing. I'm going to cut my eyeballs out real quick. Okay. Okay, pause the video. I'm going to cut my eyeballs out. When you get all of your things cut out, you should have hair, face, 2 hands, 2 eyeballs. When you get that all set up, press the video again, and I'll be right there with you. Okay, I'm going to pause. We've got face nice and cut out. I cut around the lines. 2 hands nice and cut out. 2 eyeballs cut out. And my hair cut out. Now I'm done with my scissors, so I'm going to safely put them away. Alright, it's time for you to get your glue stick out. Remember, we just roll it up just a little bit. Here's our face. We're going to start with the eyeballs. So I'm going to pick an eyeball up, turn it over, put the glue directly onto the eyeball. Place your eyeball right in between the ears, just like they are on your face. Okay, do the same thing to the other one. Here we go, 2 eyeballs. Alright, make them even. Now let's glue the hair on. This is a pretty easy craft. Flip it over. You don't need to put hair on the top part here if you have a ponytail, because look, that part's not on the head. This part right here is on the head, so I'm going to put a lot of glue on that part. Remember, I'm not putting any glue here because I know that that ponytail part is not going on her head. So no matter what hair you have, try to only put glue on the part that you know is going to be down on her head or your head. Okay, get it on there. Oh, it's pretty. Alright. Well, when I can get back to the beauty salon, that's what my hair's going to look like. It's a little darker right now. Alright, now you can put the lid on your glue. We're not going to glue the hands right now. We're going to wait. That's going to be the last thing we do after we finish writing our paper. So as a matter of fact, you can put your hands away safely in your bag. We'll use them at the very end of our project, so not today. Alright, you need to get the black marker that I sent home with you a few weeks ago. Okay, you can draw a nose. I'm going to draw kind of an L shape for my nose. And then I'm going to draw a smile. It's like a really wide U. And then I also like to do a little U and a little U right here to make it a nice smile. Okay, and there she is. That is Miss Tamplin when she grows up. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick what it'll look like when we're done. But we're not doing this yet. Not yet. Don't glue anything yet. Okay, when we're done, we've already written our story. It says, when I grow up, you're going to get to draw a picture of what you want to be when you grow up. And then you're going to write, I want to be a blank because, and you're going to give me a reason. So when it gets done, it's going to look like this. Your neck is going to go underneath. Then, at the very end, again, not today, at the very end, we're going to glue our hands on our craft like she's holding up the paper. Isn't that cute? Alright, so right now you have the head done. Set it aside. Don't set anything on top of it. Let's let it dry. Alright, thanks guys.